Hi, welcome. This is the famous Radhanagar beach in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This is actually in Havelock Islands, which is about 1.5 hours boat ride, cruise ride from Port Blair. So today morning we checked out from Port Blair and came to this Havelock Islands, and the resort we are staying is around 10 kilometers from this Radhanagar beach. Now this Radhanagar beach is not only the most famous beach in Andaman Islands, it is also one of the most famous beaches and highly rated beaches in India. According to tripadvisor.com, this is the #1 rated beach in India. Right, and I can understand why this is so, because the sand here is absolutely white and the water here is so clean that I have never seen such a clean beach in India, at least in my life. Yeah, such clean waters I have only seen in California when I was in US about 11 years back. But in India I have never seen such clean waters and white sand. Yeah, so this is at around 4:15 p.m. The sunset will be at around 5 p.m. 4:50 to 5 p.m. But being here just takes away all your tiredness, all your worries, right? We have been traveling for last 4-5 days, waking up early in the morning, but this is worth it, coming to this place, Havelock Island and this Radhanagar beach. Now if you can see the dense forests near all the beaches, right? So we drove a scooter from our resort for 10 kilometers and we were passing through the road was through the forest, and there was absolutely no sunlight at some places. We thought that we were late and the sunset has already done, but actually it was due to the dense forests. Okay, so there are some shacks here. Nice beach. Can't explain in words, you have to be here. Yeah, all the beaches near Port Blair are no swimming zone because of crocodiles, so people come to this Havelock Islands and also go to Neil Islands for their whoever wants to get into the water and swim and have some fun, right? So we too have come here and it's awesome. Let me take a 360-degree view. This is how the Radhanagar beach in Havelock Islands. Yeah, those are the Neil Islands. We will go there on Wednesday. No, I don't think that are Neil Islands. Sorry, those are some other islands. Neil Islands is in on other direction. Yeah. Okay. There are three main beaches here in Havelock Islands. One is this one, Radhanagar. One is Kala Patthar beach, which will go tomorrow or day after. That is on the eastern side where we watch the sunrise. And there is an elephant beach where we will go tomorrow for water sports. We have scuba diving, snorkeling, sea walking, everything there. Let us see how things turn up tomorrow. Okay. As of now, enjoying the Radhanagar beach sunset. Yeah. Great.